Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be talking about how to convert PDF file to JPG. So if you're having an image file which is in PDF file and you want to convert to JPG, then this video is for you. So first of all, get your smartphone, open your browser and search for combined PDF. So search for combined PDF. Select the first website, that's combinedpdf.com. combinedpdf.com. Select this website. Yeah, and in here realize there are lots of options in here. Tap on the PDF to JPG. PDF to JPG. So tap on that. PDF to JPG. Tap on it. Yeah, so after you've tapped on it, you should be having something like this. PDF to image. So tap on the upload files. Then select the PDF file that you want to convert to JPG. Okay, so this is the PDF file in here I want to convert to JPG. So after the PDF has been uploaded, there are two options in here. If you have multiple files that you want to convert, you uploaded multiple files in here, I would advise you to tap on the download all. But if it's a single file, then you realize on the file that you uploaded, there is a download button on that file. So tap on that download instead of the download all. So tap on the download on the file. Yeah, and it will download, a zip file of the PDF. So in here, you just have to extract it. So extract it, and that's it. So your PDF will be converted into JPG. So this is how simple and easy it is to convert, PDF image file to JPG. So if you find this video helpful and useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give a sweet comment. See you in the next video.